SAT drill, slope. 10 questions. Prove you're built different. Moving from left to right, the curve passes from quadrant 2 to quadrant 1. In quadrant 2, the curve trends up gradually to point 0, 2. In quadrant 1, the curve trends up sharply. The curve passes through the following points, -1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 8. What is the y-intercept of the graph shown? Option A, 0, 0, option B, 0, 2, option C, 2, 0, option D, 2, 2. The correct answer is B. Description has everything you need to know. The parabola opens upward. The vertex is at point 4, 0. The parabola passes through the following points, 3, 5, 4, 0, 5, 5. What is the x-intercept of the graph shown? Option A, -5, 0, option B, 5, 0, option C, -4, 0, option D, 4, 0. The correct answer is D. 14j plus 5k equals m. The given equation relates the numbers j, k, and m. Which equation correctly expresses k in terms of j and m? Option A, k equals m minus 14j divided by 5. Option B, k equals 1/5 m minus 14j. Option C, k equals 14jm divided by 5. Option D, k equals 5m minus 14j. The correct answer is A. Minus 4x squared minus 7x equals minus 36. What is the positive solution to the given equation? Option A, 7/4. Option B, 9/4. Option C, 4. Option D, 7. The correct answer is B. Emmanuel purchased a certain rare coin on January 1st. The function f, x, equals 65, 1.03, caret x, where 0 equals x less than or equal to 10, gives the predicted value, in dollars, of the rare coin x years after Emmanuel purchased it. What is the best interpretation of the statement f, 8, is approximately equal to 82 in this context? Option A, when the rare coin's predicted value is approximately $82, it is 8% greater than the predicted value, in dollars, on January 1st of the previous year. Option B, when the rare coin's predicted value is approximately $82, it is 8 times the predicted value, in dollars, on January 1st of the previous year. Option C, from the day Emmanuel purchased the rare coin to 8 years after Emmanuel purchased the coin, its predicted value increased by a total of approximately $82. Option D, 8 years after Emmanuel purchased the rare coin, its predicted value is approximately $82. The correct answer is D. A model estimates that at the end of each year from 2015 to 2020, the number of squirrels in a population was 150% more than the number of squirrels in the population at the end of the previous year. The model estimates that at the end of 2016, there were 180 squirrels in the population. Which of the following equations represents this model, where n is the estimated number of squirrels in the population t years after the end of 2015 and t equals 5? Option A, n equals 72, 1.5, caret t. Option B, n equals 72, 2.5, caret t. Option C, n equals 180, 1.5, caret t. Option D, n equals 180, 2.5, caret t. The correct answer is B. Check the description for the full explanation. f(x) equals 59 minus 2x. The function f is defined by the given equation. For which of the following values of k does f, k, equals 3k? Option A, 59 fifths. Option B, 59 halves. Option C, 177 fifths. Option D, 59. The correct answer is A. 14x divided by 7y equals 2 sqrt, w plus 19. The given equation relates the distinct positive real numbers w, x, and y. Which equation correctly expresses w in terms of x and y? Option A, w equals sqrt, x divided by y minus 19. Option B, w equals sqrt, 28x divided by 14y minus 19. Option C, w equals x divided by y, superscript 2 minus 19. Option D, w equals 28x divided by 14y, superscript 2 minus 19. The correct answer is C. For the first curve, moving from left to right, the curve passes from quadrant 2 to quadrant 1. In quadrant 2, the curve trends up gradually to point 0, 3. In quadrant 1, the curve trends up sharply. As x increases, the curve approaches the line x equals 4. As x decreases, the curve approaches the line y equals 1. The curve passes through the following points, -3, 2, 0, 3. For the second curve, moving from left to right, the curve is in quadrant 4. In quadrant 4, the curve trends up sharply. As x increases, the curve approaches the line y equals 1. As x decreases, the curve approaches the line x equals 4. The curve passes through the following point, 6, -4. The graph of y equals f, x, is shown in the xy plane. What is the value of f, 0? Option A, -3. Option B, 0. Option C, 3 fifths. Option D, 3. The correct answer is D. Moving from left to right, the curve is in quadrant 1. From point 0,9, the curve trends down sharply. From point 5,1, the curve trends down gradually. The graph gives the estimated number of catalogs Y, in thousands, a company sent to its customers at the end of each year, where X represents the number of years since the end of 1992, where 0 equals X less than or equal to 10. Which statement is the best interpretation of the Y-intercept in this context? Option A. The estimated total number of catalogs the company sent to its customers during the first 10 years was 9,000. Option B. The estimated total number of catalogs the company sent to its customers from the end of 1992 to the end of 2002 was 90. Option C. The estimated number of catalogs the company sent to its customers at the end of 1992 was 9. Option D. The estimated number of catalogs the company sent to its customers at the end of 1992 was 9,000. The correct answer is D. Okay, you're built different. That score is genuinely wild. Tell me your score. Subscribe and don't miss tomorrow.